Ladies and gentlemen, aviation enthusiasts and curious minds alike, welcome to the thrilling mini-series that will take you soaring through the skies called What Makes This Plane Great. In this episode, we will be talking about a plane that, despite structural and engine problems, it went on to become one of the most successful ground attack aircraft of World War II. This plane I'm talking about is the Tempest's older brother, the British single-engine fighter bomber, the Hawker Typhoon. Why are we talking about a rather large plane where its very powerful Navy Sabre engines seep carbon monoxide fumes into the cockpit and the tail used to fall off? What could be great about a plane like that, I hear you ask? Well, when the Focke-Wulf FW-190 came into service, the Hawker Typhoon was the only plane fast enough to catch them. The Typhoon's a great success shooting the Focke-Wulfs down over the English Channel when the Germans were attempting their daily tip and run raids. The main great thing about the Typhoon was its success as a fighter-bomber ground attack plane. It was a fast and rugged aircraft, so its great speed meant that it could get to targets quicker and was more difficult to shoot down than an Allied light or medium bomber. And the fact it was more agile than a light medium bomber as well meant it could take out more difficult targets and also hold their own against enemy fighters at lower altitudes. A great fighter-bomber ground attack fact is that the Typhoon was one of the first aircraft to successfully use rockets. This helped the Typhoon play a crucial role for the Allies by attacking a variety of German targets and disrupting German communications in both day and night sorties in the lead up to D-Day. The more the Allies got into France, the more Typhoons were used to form new front lines for the advancing Allied ground forces. They were soon operating from airfields in France and Holland, which gave them more access to targets in Germany. No German target would be safe from the Typhoon's wrath, with the Typhoon slaughtering German support elements, which proved crucial to the Allied victory of World War II. When Typhoons weren't dropping bombs on German targets, they were used at one point as a leaflet bomber, and they were used to drop supplies to Allied soldiers deep in enemy territory, where a plane like a C-47 would be too vulnerable, and they even dropped food bombs to starving people in the Netherlands. Before I conclude this video, I just want to say that the Typhoons shared a great similarity with the Tempests, in that they were very successful in combating the V1 Doodlebug threat. Overall, the Allied war effort just wouldn't be the same if it wasn't for the Typhoon, whether it was annihilating crucial German ground targets and positions, or stopping the FW-190 gaining complete air superiority. Some people say that we may not have won the war when we did, if it wasn't for the Typhoon playing the important role it did. And that's it for this thrilling journey through the skies. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my aviation content, etc. Check out 2 videos at the end, all my silly reviews, or even the playlist I've created. Cheers.